Hello friends, this is Caroline of Caroline's Plans. Welcome back to my channel and welcome to another plan with me in my Recollections vertical planner. This is a plan with me for this past week. This is my spring break week. For the base, I'm using this kit from the Coffee Monsterz Co. called Self-Care. I thought it was perfect for a week of resetting and recharging on spring break. My April script in the top of the sidebar is from the Glitter Mama. That Get Organized script is from Virgo and Paper. The Me Time script in my other tracker is from Scribble Prints Co. and the YouTube script is from Harriet Wright Designs, and I'm using that to track the work that I'm doing for YouTube each day. This kit did not come with date covers, so I used a set from the Glam Planner Foil Binder Bundle in Golden Hour and some matching date dots. The headers that I'm using are leftovers from Sadie Stickers. The Relax script in the sidebar is from Scribble Prints Co. And I believe that is everything for the base. If I can think of anything else, I will mention it. When I remember it. Starting on Monday, I marked the beginning of spring break with an emoji and a spring break script from Scribble Prints Co. I marked sleeping in with a mask icon from White Deer Stationery. I marked uploading my plan with me and doing some cooking at the bottom. That script is from Sticky Essentials. I marked reading with a munchkin from Once More with Love and visiting with my best friend and her baby and going on a walk with them, with a girl carrying a baby from Miss Moss, and that walk script is from A Paperella Story. I marked filming with a script from Nettie Designs. That workout shoe is from Murdoch Talks, and both of those scripts are from Scribble Prints Co. I did mix together gold and silver this week. Silver because of the script in the top of the sidebar, and gold because it matched the rest of the date covers and the headers. That spray bottle is also from Murdoch Talks. I'm marking some self-care things with scripts in that bottom box in the sidebar. The planning script is from Jessica Hart's. I marked cleaning on Monday with a steamy from Wonton and a Million, and a clean script from Letters to Apollo. At the top of Tuesday, I'm using a Fox and Pip Girl to mark planning and coffee. I cleaned our bathrooms. That icon is from Mama Gloria's shop on Etsy. I'm marking watching Catfish. I was really into just watching kind of trash TV this week, so catching up on Catfish. I used a munchkin for Once More with Love to mark that, and the binge watch script is One in Black from Letters to Apollo. I did laundry this day. That icon is from Harriet Wright Designs, and the script is from Letters to Apollo. I marked ordering dinner with a takeout script from Kinsey's Creations, and the bag icon is from White Deer Stationery. That emoji to mark YouTube is from the Coffee Monsterz Co. as well, and the script is the same one from Harriet Wright Designs. To mark some work for my channel that I did. That Bessie Date little coffee icon is from Fox and Pip, and the script is from Kinsey's Creations. I was able to spend a lot of time with my best friend and her new baby this week. So I wanted to make sure that I marked that as part of my relaxing and me time this week. That cook script is the same one from Sticky Essentials, and I used an emoji to mark that on Wednesday. I pulled in a Mixie Cat stuff little reading cat to mark reading the second Harry Potter. You can use my code Caroline15 at their shop for 15% off of your order. Marking an Instagram post with a script from Netty Designs, and I did do a lot of memory planning this day, so I used a munchkin from What's More With Love to mark that, and the same sleep mask icon from White Deer Stationery. That memory plan script is from Saucy Stickers Co, I believe, and the Watch YouTube script is from Murdoch Talks. Flipping over to the second half of the week, I'm marking coffee with this coffee machine from White Deer Stationery and a read script from Scribble Prints Co. And the upload script is from Netty Designs. I did a batch upload this day, and I used an emoji with a play button to mark that, another Mixie Cat stuffed cat to mark washing our sheets. That script is from Harriet Wright Designs. We went on another walk with the baby this day. That Luke's coffee cup is from the Crafty Banana, and we picked up Starbucks this day. That Starbucks Run script is from Planning Like a Pro. I watched more Catfish this day and marked it the same way with the Munchkin from Once More With Love. Use the same little mom carrying the baby character from Ms. Moss to mark our walk with the same script from A Paperella Story. I marked uploading and coffee on Friday with that same script from Netty Designs and another coffee emoji. I marked taking out a lot of recycling on Friday with an icon from Harriet Wright Designs, and I just wrote in that I took a lot of our recycling out. I used a little script icon from Once More With Love to mark filming my Pocket Cloud setup, finally. That will be coming to my channel soon. Keep an eye out for that if you're interested. And the film script is from Netty Designs. I used a little baby girl from Glam Planner and another bestie date script from Kinsey's Creations to mark spending time with my friend and her baby on Friday. I put in this little happy day munchkin to mark getting my husband registered and signed up for his first vaccine. We'll be going to get that done on Friday afternoon. That was very exciting. And I just marked Netflix and chill at the end of the day with a script from Scribble Prints Co. and a munchkin from Once More With Love. We watched on Friday night, I think we probably just watched some Modern Family. We've been really into that lately. At the bottom of Saturday, I'm just marking ordering our groceries with a munchkin and a grocery shop script from a Glam Planner. I pulled in a leftover camera icon from Harriet Wright Designs and a film script from Netty Designs to mark filming this plan with me. I was able to Skype with my cousin on Saturday afternoon. I used a Mixie Cat Stuff phone video chatting icon to mark that. We had a lot of really good conversations this day. I loaded our dishwasher Saturday morning. I used a wonton sticker and a dishes script from Kinsey's Creations to mark that. I did some pre-planning with coffee. That coffee cup and that sleep-in little girl are both from Fox and Pip, and the planning script is from Jessica Hartz. Let's see. Oh, yep. I'm marking Easter with a little teeny from Glam Planner. I thought it was just very springy, so I used that to mark Easter with a Happy Easter script from Netty Designs. Marking Family Lunch with a script from Scribble Prints Co. and a little place setting icon from White Deer Stationery. I'm marking my husband setting up my mom's new TV with a little gold icon from a Murdoch Talks sampler. We'll be doing that this afternoon when we go over to my mom's for Easter lunch. As usual, I'll be doing some tidying up in the afternoon today. That little tidy up girl is from Stick with the Blanco. Our groceries were delivered today, and we'll need to change our cat box this evening. So I've just marked those things in. I really enjoyed the combination of silver and gold this week. A lot of good foil here to show you in the wiggle here in just a second. I really hope you enjoyed this video and had a wonderful week. Hope you all have a happy Easter if you celebrate, and just a restful Sunday all around. Stay happy and healthy, and I'll see you in my next video. Peace, love, and happy pleating, everyone. Bye-bye.